Millions of people worldwide are using ibuprofen or other pain medications to improve their joint and body pain. But what if I told you 1 teaspoon of this natural formula can actually help you in lowering your pain and inflammation in your body without having side effects of medications? And the biggest thing, ingredients of this remedy has shown in research studies that they can improve the pain, inflammation markers as well as functioning of your body and your joints. So today I'm going to share with you this exact 1 teaspoon herbal remedy that you can make at home itself that is going to improve your joint pain, your muscle pain as well as body pains. And the best part, if you don't want to make it at home, it also comes in the capsule form. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic health conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. There are millions of people worldwide who are suffering from body pain, joint pain, muscle pain and also fibromyalgia. They have been to several different doctors and ultimately they are told that there is no cure for their condition and they have to rely on medications like ibuprofen for lifelong basis to improve this pain. Well, what is wrong with this picture? Taking ibuprofen, is that really so bad for you? Well, research says so. People who take medicines like ibuprofen for long-term basis have higher chances of gut issues, kidney problems, liver damage issues, and in some people it can also increase their chances of cardiovascular disease. That's where I wanted to share with you this natural remedy, which clinical studies show that it can really help improve pain, inflammation, and also function of your body. And the biggest thing, it comes without all the side effects of any medication that you might have to take for your pain, inflammation. So let me first share with you the ingredients of this remedy and then I'm going to tell you exactly how to prepare it and when to consume it, because that's the most important key of this remedy to give you the maximum benefits. The first ingredient over here is Boswellia. So Boswellia is actually a natural resin from the Boswellia tree. It has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for arthritis, ulcerative colitis as well as various inflammatory conditions. And now modern research shows that it can really be helpful in joint pain, body pain and inflammation conditions. A randomized double-blinded controlled trial on people was done which showed that Boswellia extract was able to reduce significantly pain and inflammation markers like TNF-alpha as well as IL-6 in arthritis patients. And the biggest thing was that it was able to reduce this pain and inflammation within 5 days. Another 2024 study which was done on 394 patients of arthritis which were taking ibuprofen or similar medications for their joint pains were started on Boswellia extract. Within few weeks of starting the Boswellia extracts, their pain significantly improved, their joint function as well as their stiffness in the body reduced dramatically. But this was not it. The more dramatic thing was that more than half of those people at the end of the trial were able to stop their ibuprofen and were still pain-free while using only Boswellia extract. So these clinical studies prove that Boswellia works really good for pain and inflammation in your body, as Boswellia is targeting the 5 LOX pathway of inflammation in your body. This particular pathway, when blocked, it reduces the leukotrienes, which are the chemical mediators of inflammation in your body, specifically in your joints as well as in your muscles. So by reducing these leukotrienes in your body, Boswellia is able to reduce inflammation and pain in your joints as well as in the muscles. So that's the reason this is the first ingredient of this remedy. The second ingredient over here is quercetin. Now quercetin is a flavonoid which acts as an antioxidant and reduces inflammation in your body. Now interestingly, quercetin is the pigment which is found in the onion skins as well as apple skins. A 2023 study concluded that quercetin was successfully able to reduce the inflammation markers and symptoms in people with high levels of inflammation in their body. A randomized double-blinded control trial was done in 50 women with rheumatoid arthritis and they were given quercetin for 8 weeks. And at the end of 8 weeks, these women saw a significant improvement in their pain scores, in their stiffness scores, as well as their blood inflammation markers also improved significantly. significantly. So thereby quercetin is another powerful flavonoid which is part of this remedy, which works on a different pathway of inflammation, specifically working on your joints and muscles. The third ingredient over is curcumin. Now curcumin is not a surprise over here because most people know that curcumin, which comes from turmeric, definitely helps with a lot of inflammation conditions. Specifically, it helps in joint pain, muscle pain, as well as body pains. A 2024 meta-analysis which looked at several studies of curcumin concluded that curcumin works really good in improving the joint pain, the body pain, as well as muscle pain of these people. Curcumin specifically targets the NF-kappa B inflammatory pathways. So thereby it is working on a different pathway which improves inflammation and pain in your body. So these are the three main ingredients of this 1 teaspoon herbal remedy that you can make at home. Now let me share with you how to exactly make it and what is the right way of consuming it. So to prepare this remedy, either you need boswellia extract or boswellia powder, half a teaspoon. You need 1/4 teaspoon of quercetin powder or quercetin extract, and then you need another 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder over here. And then to improve the absorption of curcumin from turmeric, you need a little bit of black pepper and also either coconut oil or olive oil. How to prepare this remedy? Basically, you mix boswellia, quercetin and turmeric together, and then you add a pinch of black pepper, and then you add all of these things to 1 teaspoon of either virgin coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. You might have to warm the oil a little bit so all of these things can get dissolved into that oil. Now, how do you consume this? You can just take this 1 teaspoon remedy with water and you can gulp it down. It will definitely have a very strong taste. Some of my clients have added a little bit of honey to make it more palatable in this remedy, so you can do that too. Other ways to use this remedy is that when you're making your morning smoothie, you can add this to your morning smoothie so the taste is masked and you don't feel the strong taste. What is the best way of taking this remedy? You take it with food. Do not take it empty stomach because it can irritate your stomach. So I recommend either taking it with your breakfast or with your lunch. Thereby it doesn't irritate your stomach as well as starts working in the day to help reducing inflammation and pain in your body. Now for some people it might be difficult to get all of these ingredients, and that's the reason I have created this special InflammaPro supplement which have all of these ingredients which I mentioned above, which includes the boswellia, the curcumin, the quercetin, and plus it also has other anti-inflammatory compounds into it. Plus it is formulated with the right dosage to improve the body pain, inflammation and muscle pain in your body. If you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. So here you go. Today I told you this 1 teaspoon herbal remedy that can help improve your joint pain, your muscle pain and body pain without the side effects of taking medications. When you combine this herbal remedy with an anti-inflammatory diet, this works even better. So try to work on an anti-inflammatory diet and take this herbal remedy. You might not see the difference on very first day, but if you use this remedy for 1 to 2 weeks, you should see some improvement in the pain and inflammation levels in your body. So give this a try and let me know how this is working for you. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who might benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.